Hey, home cooks! Ever find yourself standing in the grocery store aisle, staring at a sea of cooking oils, not sure which one to grab? Let's dive into the world of cooking oils and find out which ones are best for your heart. First up, olive oil. A true classic, right? It's not just good for that salad dressing. It's packed with monounsaturated fats which are great for heart health. Plus, it's perfect for sautéing veggies or making a killer marinade. But keep it on the low heat to avoid smoking. Next, we've got coconut oil. It's a bit of a rock star in the kitchen with its high smoke point, making it ideal for baking or frying. But here's the twist. It's high in saturated fat. While it's okay in moderation, it's not the go-to if you're watching your heart health closely. Now let's talk about avocado oil. Guys, this one is a powerhouse. High smoke point full of good fats, and it boosts nutrient absorption from other foods. It's like the superhero of cooking oils, especially if you're into grilling or stir-frying. Don't forget about ghee or clarified butter, rich in flavor, perfect for high-heat cooking, and it has a unique nutritional profile with some fat-soluble vitamins. Just keep an eye on the portions, as it is also rich in saturated fats. Last but not least, let's not overlook canola oil. It's kind of the unsung hero, low in saturated fat, high in omega-3s, and has a neutral flavor that won't overpower your dishes. It's a versatile buddy in the kitchen, whether you're baking, frying, or dressing a salad. So, what's the takeaway? Balance and variety, my friends. Each oil has its unique benefits and flavors, so why not mix things up depending on what you're cooking? Your heart and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the best dishes are made not just with great ingredients, but with love. Until next time, keep those hearts healthy and those stoves hot.